when you are rounding to significant figures, your first significant figure is the first number. Your second significant figure is the second number, then, which is straight after the first number that's not a 0. So that means my second significant figure there is a 4. So I'm rounding to that point, which is 3 decimals. Okay, so it's either 0.034 or 0.035. So I look at my next number. Because it's under 5, I round it down, so it stays at 0.034. Right, next one, meters to centimeter, meter squared to centimeters. To change a meter to a centimeter, there's 100 centimeters in a meter. You times by 100. But because it's squared, all right, you've got to times it by 100 squared, because it's squared, because it's 100 going in the one direction and 100 going in the other. So I've got to times it by 7 times 100 becomes, times it by 10 becomes 67, times it by 100 becomes 670, and then I'm timesing it by another 100, all right, which becomes 6,700, 10, 67,000. So that is a tricky one, all right, because you're timing it by 100 twice because it's squared. Right, when you're factorising, you're looking for the highest common factor, 15. So the highest number that goes into 12 and 15 is 3. So I'm taking 3 out. So we know it's going to be this one, because how many 3's in 12? 4, and there's an E at the start. How many 3's in 15? It's 4. Or if you're not sure, multiply out the brackets. Like 3 times 4E is 12E, 3 times 5 is 15. So I know it's that question there. I know it's that one there, 3 open bracket,